Small apartments get messy fast, but the right setup can completely transform how your space feels. So today we're diving into some of the smartest Amazon organizers and space-saving finds that make tiny homes feel cleaner, more open, and way more functional without spending a fortune. We're talking clutter killers, storage upgrades, compact organizers, and satisfying little products that instantly make everyday living easier. If anything catches your attention, every link is down in the description. Now let's get started. Opening the lineup with a massive pantry space saver, this 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer helps turn unused door space into extra storage for snacks, spices, cans, bottles, and kitchen essentials. Instead of overcrowded shelves and cluttered cabinets, the multi-tier vertical layout keeps everything visible and easier to grab quickly. The slim hanging design works especially well in apartments or smaller kitchens where cabinet space disappears fast. It also helps organize items without taking up additional floor space, usually priced around $30 to $70. Moving on with a sleek countertop organizer, this Cologne Organizer for men keeps fragrances, watches, and grooming essentials displayed in a much cleaner and more organized way. Instead of bottles getting scattered across bathroom counters or dressers, the multi-slot setup helps separate everything neatly while still keeping items easy to access daily. The compact design also adds a more premium look to smaller spaces without creating clutter. It works especially well for keeping everyday accessories organized in one spot, usually priced around $20 to $50. Continuing on with a smart closet upgrade, these stackable clothes storage bins help organize shirts, hoodies, towels, and seasonal clothing without creating messy piles. Instead of clothes getting buried inside overcrowded closets, the stackable pull-out design keeps everything separated and easier to reach. The modular setup also makes it convenient to maximize vertical storage space in smaller bedrooms or apartments. It's a simple way to create a cleaner and more organized closet system while reducing unnecessary clutter, usually priced around $30 to $80. Rolling into a compact kitchen organizer, this tea bag organizer keeps different tea flavors neatly separated instead of scattered inside drawers or cabinets. The divided compartment layout makes it easier to quickly grab tea packets while keeping countertops looking cleaner and less cluttered. It also works well for organizing sweeteners, coffee pods, or smaller kitchen essentials in one convenient place. The compact size fits nicely in tighter kitchens without taking up too much space, usually priced around $15 to $35. Coming up next with a stylish storage solution, this set of 2 flat woven wicker storage bins helps organize blankets, toiletries, clothing, toys, or household essentials while adding a cleaner, decorative look. Instead of random items sitting out in the open, the woven basket design helps hide clutter while still keeping everything easy to access. The flat, structured shape also fits nicely inside shelves, closets, or cabinets without wasting space. It works especially well in apartments trying to maintain a cleaner, organized appearance, usually priced around $25 to $60. Next up is a practical entryway organizer. This bamboo shoe rack helps keep shoes separated and off the floor instead of creating messy piles near doors or closets. The multi-tier open design improves airflow while making everyday footwear easier to see and grab quickly. The natural bamboo frame also adds a cleaner, modern look compared to bulky plastic storage racks. It works especially well in smaller apartments where keeping floors uncluttered instantly makes spaces feel more open, usually priced around $30 to $70. Moving forward with a workspace organizer, this 3-drawer mobile file cabinet helps organize paperwork, office supplies, electronics, and smaller essentials without overcrowding desks. Instead of documents getting stacked everywhere, the multi-drawer layout keeps items separated and easier to locate quickly. The rolling wheel design also makes it convenient to reposition around offices, bedrooms, or study spaces when needed. It works especially well for creating a cleaner and more organized work setup in smaller rooms, usually priced around $50 to $120. Continuing ahead with a discreet bathroom organizer, this solid wood tampon holder box with lid helps keep personal hygiene products stored in a cleaner and more private way. Instead of boxes or wrappers sitting visibly on bathroom counters, the wooden storage design keeps everything organized while blending naturally with bathroom decor. The compact size also fits easily near sinks, toilets, or shelves without taking up much room. It's a simple upgrade that helps bathrooms feel less cluttered and more organized overall, usually priced around $15 to $35. Sliding into a useful entryway upgrade, this coat rack wall mount helps organize jackets, bags, hats, keys, and everyday accessories without taking up valuable floor space. Instead of chairs or furniture getting covered with random items, the wall-mounted hook design keeps essentials easy to reach while maintaining a cleaner appearance. The vertical setup works especially well in apartments, hallways, or smaller rooms where extra storage space is limited. It also helps reduce clutter while making daily routines feel more organized, usually priced around $20 to $50. Moving on with a serious storage organizer, this 10 drawers rolling cart with wooden tabletop helps separate tools, office supplies, craft materials, beauty products, or household essentials into organized sections. Instead of smaller items getting mixed together inside drawers or boxes, the multi-drawer setup keeps everything visible and easier to manage. The rolling wheel design also allows flexible movement between rooms, while the wooden top adds extra workspace or display storage, usually priced around $60 to $130. Quick reminder, if any of these caught your attention, all the product links are waiting for you right in the description. Coming up with a heavy-duty garage organizer, this garage storage organization wall mount helps keep tools, ladders, garden equipment, extension cords, and bulky items off the floor for a much cleaner setup. Instead of crowded corners and messy garages, the wall-mounted system helps maximize vertical storage space while keeping equipment easier to access. The strong metal construction also supports heavier gear securely without taking up valuable floor area, usually priced around $35 to $90. Right after that comes a cleaning essential. This broom and dustpan set makes everyday floor cleaning much easier without constantly bending down or struggling with smaller dustpans. The upright long handle design helps collect dust, dirt, crumbs, and pet hair more comfortably while saving time during quick cleanups. The compact standing setup also stores neatly inside closets, laundry rooms, or kitchen corners without creating clutter. It works especially well for apartments and smaller living spaces, usually priced around $20 to $45. Rolling ahead with a smart kitchen organizer, this 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart helps separate produce, snacks, bottles, and pantry essentials while keeping countertops cleaner and less crowded. Instead of fruits and vegetables piling up across cabinets or tables, the vertical multi-tier design keeps everything visible and easier to grab quickly. The rolling wheels also make repositioning simple during cleaning or rearranging. It's especially useful for apartments with limited kitchen storage space, usually priced around $40 to $80. Coming in next with a bedroom storage helper, these 6-pack sheet organizers and storage sets keep bed sheets, pillowcases, and bedding collections neatly separated instead of stuffed into messy linen closets. The foldable labeled design makes it easier to quickly identify different sheet sets while keeping shelves looking cleaner and more organized. They also help maximize closet space by creating a more structured storage setup. It's a simple upgrade that instantly reduces clutter in crowded storage areas, usually priced around $20 to $40. Following that with a compact cabinet upgrade, this under-sink organizer helps turn wasted lower cabinet space into a cleaner and easier to manage storage area. Instead of cleaning sprays, soap bottles, and supplies getting stacked everywhere, the sliding drawer system keeps everything separated and easier to reach quickly. The multi-level layout works especially well in kitchens or bathrooms where storage space disappears fast. It's a practical way to reduce clutter while improving daily organization, usually priced around $25 to $50. Moving further with a closet organization favorite, this 12-pack large shoe storage box set helps protect sneakers, heels, and everyday footwear while creating a much cleaner stacked storage system. Instead of shoes getting scattered across floors or crushed inside closets, the clear front opening design keeps pairs visible and easier to access quickly. The stackable layout also maximizes vertical storage space without taking up extra room. It works especially well for apartments with limited closet organization, usually priced around $45 to $100. Shifting over to a daily convenience upgrade, this key holder wall mount helps organize keys, wallets, sunglasses, mail, and smaller essentials in one easy-to-reach location. Instead of constantly searching for important items before leaving home, the wall-mounted storage setup keeps everyday carry items organized near entryways or hallways. The compact vertical design also helps reduce countertop clutter without taking up floor space. It's a simple organizer that makes daily routines feel much more organized and efficient, usually priced around $15 to $35. Sliding forward with a bathroom space saver, this Shower Caddy 6-pack helps organize shampoo bottles, soap, razors, skincare products, and shower accessories without overcrowding corners or tubs. Instead of products sitting scattered everywhere, the wall-mounted shelves keep everything separated and easier to reach while showering. The adhesive installation also avoids complicated drilling while creating a cleaner, modern bathroom appearance. It works especially well in smaller bathrooms where storage space is limited, usually priced around $20 to $50. Dropping in with a surprisingly useful organizer, these 12-pack magnetic clips help hold notes, snack bags, grocery lists, photos, receipts, or lightweight tools on refrigerators and metal surfaces. Instead of papers and opened food packages creating clutter, the strong magnetic grip keeps items secured and easier to access quickly. They also work well in kitchens, offices, garages, or classrooms for everyday organization. It's one of those small storage upgrades that becomes useful almost everywhere, usually priced around $10 to $25. Closing out the lineup with a massive kitchen storage solution, these 50 pieces large food storage containers help organize cereals, pasta, snacks, flour, sugar, and meal prep ingredients into a much cleaner pantry setup. Instead of half-open bags and mismatched containers cluttering shelves, the stackable airtight design keeps food fresher while making kitchens look far more organized. The clear container layout also makes ingredients easier to identify quickly during cooking or meal preparation, usually priced around $40 to $100. That wraps up some of the smartest Amazon organizers and space-saving upgrades for tiny homes and small apartments. From cleaner kitchens and better closet setups to smarter bathroom and entryway storage, these are the kinds of products that help smaller spaces feel way more organized, functional, and comfortable every single day. If you saw anything you liked, all the links are waiting down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next lineup.